Hello there! Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we're going to review the cheapest version of professional skincare formula which I bought from Shopee last month. You remember my previous video, right? About the first application of this product? It is embarrassing that I used one of my used clothes as my face towel. Isn't it funny? Because I don't have any towel near me, so I'm using it. Damn. So a little disclaimer, this is not the original Dr. Alvin, but it claimed to be the original packaging of Dr. Alvin when it only says professional skincare formula. So I'm currently inside my mother's bedroom because the living room is freaking noisy. Let us discuss the pros and cons of the professional skincare formula. We're going to discuss first the pros. First, it can brighten your skin. Second, it can minimize the scars. And third, it can also minimize pores. Nice, right? So the cons, not that shallow, but there is a warning though. So take notes if you have sensitive skin. First, it has a long progress. So it may take more than 30 days. But according to the packaging, it has 30 days to heal your scars and pimples. But whatever your skin type may be, it can take a long progress. So, second, it stings, especially for the first time users. So for the third and last, it may cause scarring and burns if it's not used properly. So don't do it like this. Just do it properly, not like this. So I had this burn here before, and it's not healing it. Another burn here, and another burn there. I didn't take makeup, okay? So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Should I recommend this product? Yes and no. Of course it is effective, it has a peeling effect, you know. But however, if your skin is oversensitive, it is not recommended for you. You have to try other products or your personal skincare product. So I think that's it. Thank you for watching. This is the first time I review. Apologies for being a shy type. So till next time.